This was my mom's truck, but she always wanted me to have it. No air conditioning, no radio, as basic as you can get. I love the idea of a community-owned utility. Being able to come back to my hometown and contribute in an organization that has such a big impact on the community is really special for me. Resiliency is a key part of our strategy. We have a single source, the Mackenzie River, and a single water treatment facility on that river. The water is held in great esteem by the community. At the same time, we recognize it's vulnerable. So how do you protect the product quality at the same time addressing the issue of resiliency is the strategic challenge for the water utility. On the electric utility, we're faced with new market dynamics. Both the supply and the demand or consumption are both changing in a more rapid way than they have historically. In order to address that, we need to get customers to participate with us to help us align consumption with our supply. We also need to be resilient in our workforce. We need to adapt, we need to be flexible, and that's also part of our resiliency strategy. There's times as a leader you have to choose and you have to listen. And understanding the relationship between those two and the timing between those two is important. It's especially important in Eugene, which is a very passionate community. It's a community that likes to get involved, and we need that involvement as a utility. In the first phase, we need to work on our affordability. We need to work on the relationship that we have with customers. They need to feel like EWEB is easy to work with, easy to do business with. In the second phase, we will launch some new products that help in that alignment of supply and demand. And in the third phase, we need to remember why we were doing that. We need to assess, are we getting the results from those new products that we expected? Change is inevitable. How we handle, how we drive, how we inspire change is the difference between organizations that move forward and organizations that get things done and those that don't. As a utility, we have to recognize that our marketplaces, our customer expectations, those are driving us to change. Change also means improvement. There's a variety of different needs in the community. There's a variety of different views on technology in the community. Opt-in allows us to match a number of different products with different customer segments. Modernization is not just about technology. It's about using technology, it's about listening to customer expectations, and it's about adapting technology for the benefit of, in our case, our community. This is where I grew up, and once a week I get the pleasure of having lunch with my dad, kind of the highlight of my week.
Still do that?
We still do that, yes, we do.